Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to change chat background on Telegram app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, click on Telegram app icon. Press on three lines which shown on top left. Click on Settings. Scroll down till we get Chat Settings. Click on Change Chat Background. Here you have three options. First one, select from gallery. Second one, set a color. Third one is select to one of background which already found in Telegram. Let's select first one, select from gallery. Let's select this photo. After that, press OK. Here you can find two tools which can change photo. First one is motion, let's try it. Second one is blurred. You can select whatever you want. If you want to select this one, just press on set background here. Let's go to the second option. Second option is set a color. Press on it. You can select which color would you like to add. Let's try this one. Also, you have two tools below here. Press on pattern. You can find here new windows called choose pattern. You can select one of them like this. And below here you can find intensity. You can control here by go right and left. If you want to increase pattern, just go right. Like this. If you want to decrease, just go left. This is for pattern. If you want motion, just press here. And after that, press apply. Let's go to the third option. You can select one of background which already found here. Let's try this one. Also, you have motion and blurred. Press a motion. And you can find blurred here. Let's make it motion. After that, press on set background. Let's see if background already changed or not. Go back and open chat with someone. Here you can find that background already changed. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can subscribe our channel. Also consider like, share, and if you have any comments, please write to us and we will do our best to respond all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.